So in this video, I had a client who had a special request. He wanted me to make him two of these travel humidor pieces that we make at Early Designs. And I'm making it out of white oak because his request was to make it out of the same material as a bourbon barrel. And he wanted me to char it and then laser engrave a bourbon bottle shape on its icon. So here you can see me turning the larger piece of the cigar tube, and then once I sanded it up, I charred it with a little torch. It's very important that you clean up. You saw probably that I vacuumed everything around it because you don't want that heat to catch on fire with chips in the bottom. And I made several pieces of this. There's a bottom piece, which is a longer piece, and then there's a shorter piece, which is the cap. And then the two things unscrew, and then you can put the cigar inside this tube. It fits comfortably a 52 ring cigar, kind of snug on the 54, but that's pretty much the biggest it could fit. Here you can see me putting on just a regular furniture wax or paste wax, and I took it off the mandrel, and I'm doing a shorter piece right now that you could see. And I'm going to turn this. I have a Laguna lathe. I bought it several years ago. I just wanted to be able to learn how to turn, so my kids use it making pens, and I use it to make the cigar cases. So I cut these blocks to 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches on my bandsaw, and then I drill a 25 millimeter hole in it, which you don't see on this video, but I'm telling you that's pretty basic. And once I drill the holes, I'll glue a tube in there with CA glue, and then I basically square up the ends, and then I turn it, and I use the lathe to turn it into a tube like that, and then I sand it from 120 up to 600, and then I polish it with this. In this case, I just wanted to use a simple paste wax. So here you could see me putting the trim in there, which has an end cap. The end cap actually unscrews, and it has a really cool little feature. It has a punch in it. Most people will probably use one of those tools that you compress the parts with. I happen to have strong enough hands that I could just push them together. I can't do that with the pens, those are too small, but I can do it with this because I have a good grip on it. So once I compressed it, you could see it there, I put some wax on the threads. When it unscrews in the middle, there's a coupling there. It also has a cool feature which has an O-ring built into it, so when you put your cigar in there, it's basically seals it off, so whatever moisture you have left in the cigar, if you're halfway through it, then it saves that for you. So here I'm setting it up in the laser engraver. So I'm basically laser engraving a bourbon barrel silhouette on this, and it's a pretty easy thing, and it came out pretty good. You could see it here. It's all charred up, and it's got the bourbon barrel burned onto it, and the client was super happy with it, and he really liked the product.